baby. Hey, baby. Hey, your baby's over here. Your baby's stuck on the trampoline. You learning how to fly? You're stuck on a trampoline, buddy. You gotta go up. Can you get up? You need help, don't you? Your mom's gonna attack me. I'm gonna try to help. Oh, okay, I'm gonna help this baby robin, and I'm probably gonna get attacked by the mom. Look, there's a baby. I got a baby. Can we go see? I got a baby Cardinal. Alright, I'm gonna set you down. There's your baby. I saved it. Save the baby. You flying? Go find your mama. Aww. You found your baby. Found your baby, guys.